Things are definitely starting to change for Gypsy Rose Blanchard when it comes to the public's perception. Gypsy Rose Blanchard, wave of hate from Nick supporters. She feels it's unfair. As you know, Gypsy Rose Blanchard was found guilty of second-degree murder and sentenced to 10 years in prison, while her ex-boyfriend, Nicholas Godejohn, was sentenced to life in prison with no parole, both for their hand in the murder of her mother, Dee Dee Blanchard. Apparently, Gypsy is receiving a ton of backlash from people saying that she should be serving the same amount of time that her ex Nicholas received for the death of her mother. Now, Gypsy does feel that she tried to help Nick by testifying that she came up with the plan to kill her mother during his trial. She said this is one reason she's been able to forgive herself. Now, I will say that I have noticed a huge difference in my content about Gypsy and the comments they're getting. When I first started covering this story, when she was first released, it was all Queen Gypsy, yay Gypsy, we love you. And it has taken a drastic turn, almost to the opposite now when I post about it. Gypsy has apparently had enough. She's taken to her Instagram and posted a couple memes. This one says, keep calm and ignore the haters. And her comments below said, those who choose to stay ignorant about my personal growth and place labels on me do not influence my happiness. Spread love, not hate. Now, Gypsy feels that people have been referring to her as a murderer, and she does not agree with that title. She also posted this one. Living a good life really is the best revenge. Once they acknowledge that they cannot ruin your happiness, they lose their power. Gypsy is not letting it get her down, however. She did post her first informative TikTok post. She did share it on her Instagram as well. She titled it Introduction into a Discussion about Munchausen Syndrome by Proxy, where she basically went on and read the definition and symptoms and signs of Munchausen.